They're burning down the house and crying while the flames are high. Have you ever tried to say goodbye? The ghost of your dreams would finally disappear. You'll never be again stuck in here. You move to another place and try to find yourself again. Life owes you a big great shot, I bet. But the cars are leaving while you're sitting on the floor. People are dancing, but you're wearing the wrong clothes.